Ms. V, in your new role as the rector, you have the privilege and the responsibility to steer this university in a crucial time. The challenges are great, but also the opportunities. You inherit an institution with a proud history and a vibrant community. Now, under your leadership, it must also become a university of the future, one that is globally connected, regionally relevant, and locally transformative. Your leadership will be measured not only by the quality of research and teaching, but by the impact the university makes on the lives of students and the society as a whole. It will be measured by how well it prepares young people, not only to find jobs, but also to create them, not only to adapt to change, but also to drive it, not only to succeed individually, but also to contribute collectively. To the students of the university, you are not only learners, you are innovators. The future of the island, and indeed the wider region, rests in your hands. Your studies are not just about passing exams, they are about acquiring the knowledge, the skills, and the imagination to make a difference in Aruba and the whole world. To the faculty and the staff, you're not only educators, you're mentors, guides, and partners in innovation. Your task is to nurture not just the intellect, but also the character, and to inspire not only the competence, but also the conscience.
I'm standing here today as rector of the University of Aruba. It is both an honor and a profound responsibility to lead this institution. I'm deeply grateful for the trust and confidence that so many of you have placed in me. Our Board of Trustees, the government of Aruba, especially Minister Gerlien Croes, my colleagues and friends who encouraged me to step forward, and my family, my children, my partner, my parents, my sister, and my in-laws, whose constant support has carried me through this transition. To my friends and family who have stood by me in both the good and quiet times, thank you.